and me from the start. By the way you stare, the way you wrote upon me, yeah, yeah.
Hey, go IG, it's your birthday. No, it's not really my birthday. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you can get notifications when I upload. Enjoy this pink look. It is so cute, so girly. Everybody likes pink. I do. Don't forget to comment what you would like to see on this channel because I am here to deliver. Okay? Okay guys, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and use this toning solution from the Ordinary skincare product to prep my skin and get it ready for the makeup application. Next thing I'm going to use is this Ascorbyl Solution, which has a vitamin F. This is so hard to pronounce, you guys, but I'm going to use it to put it all over my face, and this is going to act as my glowy product. It's going to make my skin glow. I love using this Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream because I have dry lips and this keeps my lips intact. Next, I'm going to use this Natural Radiance Primer in yellow from MAC, and I love this product. It keeps my face warm. That's why I chose the color yellow. They have it in pink and yellow, but I like yellow. I'm going to mix these two foundation, Clinique and Zikel, today. So I'm using the Clinique in number 28 at the bottom of my face, and then I'm going ahead with the Zikel in Sexy Almond in the center of my face as it's a lighter shade.
Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the...
I'm then gonna go ahead and mix the two, but I'm concentrating on the bottom part of my face with the darker shade. I just like how that turns out. As you can see, I love the results of this, so I like putting darker tones around my face, and then in the center of my face, I always like to go with a little bit of a lighter foundation. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, so I'm using one in shade number 25, which is the lighter, and shade number 45, which is the kind of darker one. At this stage, I am going ahead and putting too much highlighter on. I normally don't do this, but I'm only doing it for the video purposes, just to show you guys how you can blend this highlight if this ever happens to you. Next, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Espresso stick to contour, and these are the areas that I like to contour. For the first time, I'm putting on a highlight and a contour and blending them at the same time, which I barely do.
Baby, don't you switch up.
Wake up. You know I love to see your face with no makeup.
I like using the Original Beauty blender to blend because it's so soft, and I like to damp it just a tiny bit, not too much. This way it's a lot easier for me to blend.
By the way you stare, the way you wrote upon me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy.
I'm gonna go ahead and blend this reverse contouring, but I'm gonna make sure that it's really well blended because I really hate when that line is too harsh. So I'm gonna blend the contour and the highlight together so it can be seamless.
When no one gets hurt, baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow.
For my nose contour, I always like to go ahead and use a smaller brush just to concentrate on those areas so that it can be detailed but at the same time really nicely blended as well. Next, I'm going to use this translucent powder from Mercier to set my face.
Baby, don't you, baby, don't you.
As I'm setting my face, I like to carve the nose area, as you can see me do so. The reason why I'm carving it like this is so that my nose can appear a bit smaller, make it sharp.
I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind, 'cause something went wrong. The signals got...
So next, I'm gonna use this product from Morphe. This is the Brontour Shomance. I really like this shade. It's very chocolatey.
When no one gets hurt.
Now we're gonna get rid of that setting powder. So I'm taking off my forehead first, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face.
Face up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind.
The next product I'm going to use is the Morphe setting powder in filter number 12. I love this. It has like this orangey tone, which is going to give me like such a nice color. So I'm applying all over my face just to get that beautiful blended tone. Using this trio blush palette from Morphe, I'm going to go ahead and use that first color and apply it on the apples of my cheek. So before I move on, I'm going to set my face so that I can move to the next product, and this is just going to make the makeup melt. For my eyeshadow base, I'm going to use this P. Louise base number 2.
Baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow.
Using this 9J Just to Crush palette from Morphe, I'm going to go ahead and use that pink color on my crease. I love this palette. It's so pigmented, and after this makeup tutorial, I tried to take it off. It stained on my eyelid, so it is very pigmented, you guys.
Baby, don't you.
Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on top of that pink color that I just put, and I'm blending them together, and this way I can start building my colors.
Don't you.
Then next, I'm gonna go ahead with that dark purple. I'm gonna put that on the crease as well, and I'm gonna blend the two together.
Boy, you had me from.
So I'm gonna keep going back and forth with the brushes just to get it very nice and soft at the end of the crease.
When I felt your energy.
Using the same P. Louise base in number 2, I am going to go ahead and cut the crease. The brush I'm using is the Acid Rain from P. Louise. This brush is so amazing for cutting the crease. It is super flat and it does get the job done.
Baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
Now for my eyelid, I'm gonna go ahead and start with that dark purple to use at the outer corner of my eyes.
Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
For our next color, I'm gonna go ahead and use that magenta color. So I'm reversing what I've done with the crease on the eyelids as well.
I just wanna get it right.
And next, I'm using that shimmery color, the pink tone, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend these 3 colors together just so we can get a really nice flawless application on the eyelid.
Now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were when no one gets hurt.
And lastly, I'm using that lighter pink, and I'm gonna put this in the inner corner of my eye. So I'm overlaying the medium shimmery pink and this light pink color. Using my favorite liner from Inglot, this is number 77. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes, but I'm doing a really, really thick eyeliner.
Up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do.
So going back with our dark purple that we used on the crease, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the end of that liner together with the crease, and I'm also going to go ahead and set it on top of the eyeliner halfway through.
Get slow.
I'm using this great lash from Maybelline. I really like this mascara. It's quite cheap and it's really good.
Baby, don't you switch.
Let's put some lashes on. I'm using MAC Real Hyper Glow highlighter to highlight these points of my face.
You switch up the vibe. Baby,
As you guys can see, doing highlighter is like my favorite part. I love this step so much.
you switch up the vibe.
Using the same colors that we used earlier on our crease, I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom line. So I'm starting with that magenta pink first, and I'm going in with that dark purple to set on top of it. Next, I'm gonna use chestnut lip liner to line my lips. And then I'm going ahead with Colourpop liquid matte lipsticks in the shade Beeper.
Gotta be afraid.
Now I'm gonna use this Dior lip gloss to apply on top of my lips.
Why you tryna be?
And as you all may know by now, I like applying some concealer in the middle and center of my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now.
Love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight.
And voila! Thank you very much for watching. I hope everybody enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was quite detailed so you guys could understand. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in my next video.
You bring out the sweetness of my life.